A very good morning to everyone. I hope all is doing fine. Well, if you would have looked into my analysis, you would have seen precisely for the US30, we have hit the targets. I told you if you're staying long above 700, you'll be hitting 850 and in almost 33,900. That is precisely, I would say 33,890. We were able to meet the targets. Now, let's see what the charts are up to for the day. And same the cases were with Germany also and as also NASDAQ almost. However, the NASDAQ were not able to sustain this. Let's see how it's going to be for the day. And by the way, we are having a very interesting match today. I hope you guys must be watching this. So today we have an interesting match between Croatia and Brazil. And I guess all my viewers will be waiting for this match. So let's go to the charts. So here is a chart. On a daily chart for the US30, we can see this is trying to retrace back up now. And also we have a golden crossover here if you would see. The 50 DMA is crossing above the 100 DMA. So it shows a positive sign. However, let's see what the other indicators are saying. However, because usually these are EMAs are usually a lagging indicator, that means they are slow to give you the immediate picture. Only for a long term, it's very good indicator. However, for this other indicator, let's see for the MACD. MACD is still showing on a sell side, so not very good on this. RSI is comfortable and stochastic is trying to diverge for a buy, and dash movement is on a bullish side. On a forward side, forward charts, we can see uh, the the MACD is trying to go up. Okay, and the RSI is comfortable too. This is going up, and the stochastic is also in positive zone. Also the dash movement. So all these are in very comfortable zone. Hence it shows us a buy. Let's see for a 1 hour what is the story is. On the 1 hour chart, I would say this shows some sort of undecisiveness for the MACD. And for the RSI, also it is in a comfortable zone. Stochastic is also comfortable. And on the DMI is also comfortable zone. Hence, it's a buy on all of these charts. If you see, except for the daily. So what I would be expecting is that first, by the end of the day, when we are closing, maybe we'll reach to the highs and then retrace back, and it might fall back to 33. 800 or 500 something like that, and we might touch 34,100 or so for the day, but I'm not expecting so much. My target would be 3420 or so. Let's see what are the entry levels and the exit levels for this. Please start of this information, keep part of this information always. Try to make right entry and right points, entry points and stop losses. Let's see the Dow Jones entry point. So for today, I'll be making an entry if I get a chance at 33,780, and I'll put a strict stop loss of 33,680, and my targets will be 840, 900, 420. Short entries can be taken between 33,700 only, and we have very good supports at 33,680, 650, and 600. And for the day after 33,680, 33,500 is a very strong support. So please keep this in mind. And targets and any short stop losses should be 33,750. The daily trend is in consolidation. Monthly also the consolidation. As I said previously, also the market is expecting some Fed announcement the following week, and hence this will uh, show the way for the markets for the coming days. Okay. So now let's look on to Nasdaq. So this is the chart for Nasdaq on a daily time frame, and here, if I would see, this is showing as a daily frame the 50. Just a minute, let me change this. The AMS has not confirmed as anything. However, it's still below the 200, sorry, 100 EMA, DMAs. Okay, so we will see. Still, NASDAQ is on the bearish side, as we know. And MACD is also showing on a sell side. It's still not getting pulled up. And RSI is comfortable. Stochastic is trying to converge and is trying to go up. But dash movement is still on the sell side, on the bearish side. The forward charts, let's see. The forward charts, everything is, if you see into the MACD, that is trying to go up to converge for a bullish side, and RSI is comfortable, and stochastic is also on a buy side, and the DMI is trying to be on a undecided zone, I would say, rather. Okay. Let's see. The DMI does not have any clear indication. It's on the opposite side, on the bearish side. So let's see for the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, MACD is showing up. Okay, it's still going up. And RSI shows us it's approaching almost all board. And stochastic is also the same story. Hence, we might see some retracements. And only the bullish side is only for the national movement. So according to all of this, let's see what are the entry levels for the day. So this is the NASDAQ entry levels for the day. I would prefer an entry at 11,600, 660, 720, and 800. And longs stop loss should be 11,500. If you see the market is really not in a supportive zone, in that case you can exit at 11,540. I not mentioned it here because I don't want you to take a short to keep a strong stop loss, and that retraces back, and it takes away your capital. That's the reason. So try to if you are trading on the second, will try to play with a low volume, low quantity, one will be 1 or 2 based on your capital. That will be good enough. And for the short entries, you can take a short at 11,500. This is a very strong support. If it fails, so we can see we are reaching to up till 11,430, 400, and 380. So this all are very strong supports, which will take. It can come on an immediate level, or it can take some time to reach. Anytime it can get back to the support level. So you need to keep a trailing stop loss as soon as you get uh, you're nearing your targets, because that will protect your capital. So you will make no loss in that case. And I would suggest no trade zone between 11,500 and 11,600. Daily trend is consolidation. The monthly is on the downtrend. Strong support 11,500, then 11,380. And strong resistance 11,480 to 11,000. Sorry, this I have mentioned it is wrong here. So I have updated the resistance. The strong resistance is 11,700. Okay, for the day, and any trend reversals is only about 13,000. Yeah. So let's move on to the next. That's our next. So the D30. So here we are at the daily chart of D30, and as we know, the D30 is only bullish. Uh, has been maintaining his bullishness for the few days, and is trying to protect all its support levels. You see, this is on a golden, it's in a golden cross here. However, the EMAs, however, this is a lagging indicator, so we cannot give much preference to this on a daily, on a intraday trades. It might not work well. However, let's see the other indicators. Now, MACD on a daily level is showing is looking downside. So we can see some retracement in the long hours of trading, and RSI is comfortable. Stochastic is trying to diverge on the upper side, and direction movement is on the bullish side. Let's see the 4 hour charts. So the 4 hour charts, the MACD is nicely placed and it is trying to go up now. Hence, we can see some up moves before it shows us a retracement. RSI is comfortable, but stochastic is so some retracement is fine, and DMI is on the comfortable. No, it's also on the bearish side. 1 hour charts. Let's see. 1 hour chart meant is I think until the German market opens, there can be some uh, pull, uh, pull up. Yeah, there can be some movements towards the up. It can pull up some points and then it might retrace, and then it can come again to the levels where it started trading. So it's I feel overall till the evening this might be swinging between 14,300 to 380 or between 14,250 to 14,350. So because it's all the markets are waiting for the first decision for the coming week. Yeah, let's see the entry levels. So these are the entry levels for D30. I would enter at 14,300 between 14,300 in this. I will try to make interest because it has got a very strong support at 14,300 as well, as we have seen it previously also. But for the day, I would take 14,250 as a very strong support. The targets I would be expecting today is 14,350, 14,370, and 14,400. Plus, any 14,400 plus, you can observe this only after the US market if it starts trading in positive zone. So, long buy, if you're taking, you should have a stop loss at 14 to 50. And for a short entry, you can take a 14 to 50 short entry, and your targets can be 14,200, 14,120. Short stop loss should be 40,300 because it's a very good support zone. So it can immediately retrace back to this point. So as soon as you see, if you entered on a short trade, if you see you're almost getting your targets of the first, you can put a trading stop loss and you can exit from the trades. Now, uh, not trade between 14,250 and 14,300. Daily trend is in consolidation and is expected. Month is in uptrend. So strong resistance is to 14,320 and support is 14,250. Thank you. Let's see uh, how the week closes for this week and next week. What is going to be quite happening for the services. Thank you once again for being part of this channel. I would really appreciate if you give me a like or at least give me a comment. I think you do not have to skill so much yourself. Helping me with your likes or comments. Okay, likes, dislikes, whatever you say. I'll be happy to gracefully accept it. Thank you so much. Please try to share if you do that. That will help to me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.